In the contemporary business landscape, efficient financial management is not merely a matter of compliance but a cornerstone of strategic decision-making. Small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, often face the challenge of managing their books accurately without the resources for a full-time in-house accounting department. This is where services like Bookkeeper 360 step in, offering outsourced bookkeeping, accounting, payroll, and advisory services, often combined with intuitive software dashboards. A critical concern for any business considering such a service is, how long does Bookkeeper 360 take to get started? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that the onboarding time with Bookkeeper 360 is generally quite efficient, typically ranging from 1 to 2 weeks for core bookkeeping services. However, the exact duration can vary based on several factors, including the complexity of your existing financial situation, the specific services you require, and how quickly you can provide the necessary information. Let's break down the typical onboarding process and the factors that influence its speed. The Bookkeeper 360 onboarding process. A step-by-step guide. Bookkeeper 360 aims to streamline the transition process to get your business up and running on their platform as quickly and smoothly as possible. While the specifics can vary, the general steps involved in getting started typically include initial consultation and needs assessment. Timeframe. This is usually the first interaction, often a scheduled call or online meeting. It can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. What happens? During this stage, a Bookkeeper 360 representative will discuss your business's specific accounting needs, current challenges, and financial goals. They'll assess the volume of your transactions, the complexity of your operations, and the services you're interested in, e.g., just bookkeeping, payroll, tax, CFO advisory. This helps them tailor a service package and provide an accurate quote. Service agreement and account setup. Timeframe. Once you agree to the terms and pricing, signing the service agreement can be done relatively quickly, often within a day or two electronically. What happens? After the agreement is in place, Bookkeeper 360 will begin setting up your client account within their system. This involves creating your profile and preparing for data integration. Data collection and integration. Timeframe. This is often the most variable part of the process, typically taking a few days to a week, depending on your responsiveness and the state of your existing records. What happens? Bookkeeper 360 will need access to your existing financial data. This commonly involves connecting to your bank and credit card accounts. They'll usually use secure third-party integration tools to link directly to your financial institutions, allowing them to import transactions. Connecting to existing accounting software. If you're already using QuickBooks Online or Xero, which are their preferred accounting software platforms, they will connect to your existing file. If you're using another system or manual records, they might guide you on how to export data or assist with migration. Gathering supporting documents. This could include past tax returns, previous financial statements, details of outstanding invoices, accounts receivable, bills due, accounts payable, and information about any loans or assets. Access to other business apps. If you use tools like Gusto for payroll, Expensify for expenses, or Shopify for e-commerce, they will set up integrations to pull relevant data. Initial book cleanup/catch-up if necessary. Timeframe. This phase can add anywhere from a few days to several weeks or even months, depending on the messiness and backlog of your historical data. What happens? If your books are significantly behind or contain errors, Bookkeeper 360 will conduct a cleanup process to reconcile past transactions, categorize them correctly, and get your financial records accurate and up to date. This ensures a clean starting point for ongoing services. This phase is often quoted separately or included in the initial setup fee if the scope is minor. Dedicated accountant assignment and kickoff. Timeframe. This usually happens concurrently with data collection or shortly after, within the first week of engagement. What happens? You will be assigned a dedicated US-based accountant who will be your primary point of contact. They will get to know your business, understand your specific needs, and begin working on your books. An initial kickoff call with your dedicated accountant is common to set expectations and establish communication channels. Dashboard and reporting access. Timeframe. Once the initial data is ingested and the accounts are set up, Usually within the 1 to 2 week core onboarding window, you'll gain access to the Bookkeeper 360 dashboard. What happens? This is where you can view real-time financial insights, key performance indicators, KPIs, cash flow analysis, and track your financial health. Your dedicated accountant will also begin providing routine check-ins and monthly financial reviews. Factors that influence onboarding time. Your responsiveness. The speed at which you provide necessary documents, answer questions, and grant access to accounts directly impacts how quickly the process moves. Delays on your end will inevitably extend the timeline. Current state of your books. If your current financial records are disorganized, incomplete, or significantly behind, Bookkeeper 360 will need more time to perform a cleanup or catch-up before regular services can begin. This is often the biggest variable. Complexity of your business. Businesses with high transaction volumes, multiple revenue streams, inventory management, or complex international operations may naturally require a slightly longer setup time to ensure all nuances are captured. Number of services subscribed to. If you're only signing up for basic bookkeeping, it will be faster than if you're bundling bookkeeping with payroll, tax preparation, and CFO advisory services, as each additional service requires its own setup and integration. Existing accounting software. If you're already on QuickBooks Online or Xero, the data migration is often smoother and quicker. Switching from other software or manual systems can add time. Conclusion. Efficient start for essential services. Bookkeeper 360 is designed to get businesses on board swiftly. For core bookkeeping services, you can generally expect to be fully set up and receiving initial financial insights within 1 to 2 weeks. This quick turnaround allows businesses to offload their accounting burdens and gain clearer financial visibility without a prolonged waiting period. However, it's crucial to be prepared on your end. Having your financial documents organized, knowing your needs, and being responsive to Bookkeeper 360's requests will significantly accelerate the process. While any backlog or highly complex situation might extend this initial phase, Bookkeeper 360's focus on a structured onboarding process and dedicated support aims to minimize disruption and get you back to focusing on what you do best: running your business.